This video will derive the formula for Exradius, that is, if triangle ABC is given to us and we extend the side length AB and AC and externally we draw a circle touching all the three sides, that is, extended side length AB and AC and the side length BC. Then the radius of this Excircle is given by area of this triangle, full triangle ABC, divided by S minus A, where S is semiperimeter and A is the side length with which this circle is touching externally. Let's check a simple proof for it. So let's join the three vertices of our given triangle with the center of Excircle. That is, we are joining AO length, BO length and CO length. Now area of this triangle ABC is nothing but area of this yellow triangle plus area of this blue triangle. From that we'll subtract area of triangle CBO. So if we'll do that, we'll get area of our original triangle, that is ACB. Now area of triangle ABO, that is this yellow triangle, is half of base times of height. Now here this height is nothing but radius of Excircle, that's R. Or area of this yellow triangle will be half of C times of R. In that we are adding area of triangle ACO, that is this blue triangle. For that we'll take B as the base and OE will be the height, which is your R centimeter. So we'll add half of B times of R. Now in this we have to subtract area of triangle BOC, that is this area we have to subtract. For that, if we'll take CB as the base, then this length will be the height, which is R. Or we'll subtract half of A times of R. Now area of this triangle ABC is nothing but, here we'll take R by 2 as common. So we'll left inside is C plus B minus A. Now to simplify it, let's add in the bracket plus A and minus A. So we'll get C plus B plus A minus 2A. This divide by 2, let's take it inside the bracket. So we'll get R times of A plus B plus C by 2 minus 2A by 2, which is A. Now here we know A plus B plus C by 2 is semiperimeter, that is S. So it's R times of S minus A, and R, the radius of Excircle, is area of this given triangle ABC by S minus A, and that's our answer. I hope you enjoyed the video. I will see you in next video. Till then, tata, bye bye.